Hello guys, welcome back to the Research Campus. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a presentation like this using your mobile phone. Now, as you can see, I'm actually doing a presentation on my mobile phone. I have my slides ready and I have my video on the side, so I can just actually move through different slides and then I explain what the slide is all about like this, right? So that is how it goes. And again, if you want to reduce the size of your video, if it's disturbing your slides, you can just click on the video. You're going to see this red box appears with the arrow. Just drag it like this and you're going to see as you drag inward, the video size is going to reduce. So you can just place it wherever you want. So you can just drag your video and keep it wherever you want and you continue with your presentation. You can also just increase it by clicking it like this and dragging. So that is how it goes. And again, you can also invite people by clicking on this plus sign like this, and you can add people. You can add people to your groups, or people, you can add them to your slides. So that is how it goes. So I'm going to show you how to actually create a presentation slide with your mobile phone. But this slide is like a pre-made slide that I took on. It came with the Google slide, so I just edited the text and that is how it is. So you can also use a slide that you've already created, maybe a PowerPoint slide, and then you bring it in you save it in your Google Drive, and then you can just open it on your phone and you start doing your presentation. Another bonus about this is that it is automatically recording my presentation. So that's a huge bonus. So let's see how to do this. Okay, now let's take a look at what you'll be needing. The first thing is a good front camera phone. If you don't have a phone with a good front camera, then you can always beg a friend or someone close to you. Next, you're going to be needing two free apps called Screen Recorder and Google Slides. So you can just download it from the Google Play Store for free. The last thing you'll be needing is to find a good spot where there is good lighting. So I'll prefer you sit in front of a window. So that's how I always do my presentation. Okay, now open your phone and go to Google Play Store. On the search bar, type in Screen Recorder No Ad. Click on the one that says EZ Screen Recorder No Ad. Next, click on Install. Next, click Open. Next, just keep clicking the front arrow that you see. Once you're here, click Grant Permission. Then you click while using the app. Next, click Allow. Click the front arrow again, and then click the tick. Now it's going to lead you here where it says Grant Permission. So you're just going to click on Grant Permission. Next is going to lead you here where it asks you if you want the apps to display over other apps. So just click on the EZ Screen Recorder you see, and then just turn it on. So allow display over the other apps. Now just go back to your home screen and you're going to see this small camera icon on the top. So that is the app that you have allowed it to be displayed over the other apps. Next, we're going to go to the settings of the app. So just click on the camera icon and then click on this settings option. So this is where we can change the settings of the app. So the first option, let's check out the front camera preview size. So just scroll until you see front camera preview size. So click there and decide if you want it to be big, small or medium. So this is how your video size is going to appear once you turn on the camera. You can just leave it at small since you can always increase the size of your video. I also like to enable the countdown timer. That is it is going to give you a countdown before you actually start recording. So if you don't want that, you can also untick the box. You can also change the countdown timer by clicking on the countdown seconds. So mine, I just left it at 3 seconds. Also make sure you have enabled the audio record option so that while you're doing your presentation, it can also automatically record your voice as you speak. You don't want a video with no sound. So the next option is the custom settings. Now this one is not even that necessary, but you can also just tick it and then you choose on video resolutions. If you want your video to be high quality, just click on the first one, and as for the other options, you can just leave it like that. Another very important feature I want to show you is this. open camera at start. So make sure you just tick that box on. So this option is going to automatically enable your front camera once you turn the recording on. So that's basically all about the settings. So let's go back to Google Play Store and download the Google Slides. Again, open the Play Store and type in Google Slides on the search bar. Now, as you can see, there is no install option. That is because I've already installed it on my phone. Now, I can just click on open and it's going to open it up. But if I've not installed it, you can just click on install and you're going to have it on your phone. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the camera icon that you see on top. Then click on the little person you see with a plus sign. Okay, now so this is me, this is my video, but it is not actually recording. So what we'll do is we're going to click again on the camera icon and then click the record option. You're going to see this option, so all you need to do is click on start now. Okay, now it's recording. Now to start our presentation, all you have to do is just click on the slides option, right, on your Google Slides. Next, you're just going to go ahead and choose your so these are different presentation slides. So you're just going to go ahead and choose a slide. Now I'm going to pick this slide and that is it. So all you have to do now is to just double click on it or just turn your camera on the side like this. So once you're here, you can start doing your presentation normally. So one thing I want to show you is how to play around with your video. So just click on the video and you're going to see this red option, this red box with arrow in it. Just click on it, drag outwards to expand your video. You can also click and drag inward to reduce the size of your video like that. You can move through each slide by clicking the slides and you do your explain what or talk more about what's on the slides. So you can just do your presentation normally. So explain in details what you've written on your slides. And just like I said, everything that we're doing right here is automatically recording itself. One other thing I want to show you is that you can also add slides to your presentation. So just come here at the bottom left corner, you're going to see this plus sign. Click on it and you can add any slides. So you can add slides to your presentation while you are doing it. And again, you can also edit any slide that you want while you're doing your presentation. Another thing I want to show you is the option to add notes while you are doing your presentation. So just click on the three dots. You're going to see show speaker notes. Click on it. And this is where you can start writing even while doing your presentation. Just click there and start writing. Voila, just like that. Click, and this is a notes option right here. Anytime you want to write, just click on it and you start writing. If you don't want it, you can still click on the three dots and where you see hide speaker notes, click and it's going to take it away. So that is how it is. So this option is very beneficial, especially if you're an online tutor and you want to do like a presentation. Maybe you want to explain certain things, to your students, then you can just record yourself explaining it through your presentation slides. And again, if you are a freelancer, maybe you work on sites like Upwork, Fiverr as a freelancer, then you want to send a resume or a portfolio to your clients, this is the best way to win clients, by making a video presentation of your resume explaining all the steps, everything. As you can see, this is a portfolio. You can also get this and edit it and fill in what you want to fill in there, project examples, you can also add links. So you can do that and then send it to your clients and it converts the best. Another thing I want to add is that you should not be afraid to make mistakes whenever you're recording your video. When you're doing your presentation like this, you can easily, after you're finished recording your presentation, you can easily take the video to any video editing app and start cutting out the unwanted parts so that you can send a clean video to the person or to the student or to even the clients that you want to send. So let me show you how to edit a video in CapCut. So I'm going to be using CapCut, but first, once you're done recording, just drag like this. You're going to see the option where it says stop. You're going to see it stop. It's an option where it says stop, but now I've made my settings in such a way that all I need to do is to just shake my phone and the video is going to be produced. It will be in my gallery. So just go back and then all I need to do is to just shake. Okay, now it has stopped recording. Now what you need to do is just scroll down and you're going to see you have created a new clip. When you click there, it's going to show you the clip. So these are some of the clips that I've created with the EZ app. So just click on the clip and then click my video. Just open it up and then you're going to see the video. You can just click on the video and open it up. Just turn it sideways and you're going to see your presentation. With arrows up here, just expand. Just click expand it, open it. If you want to reduce it, just okay. So another way you could see all the files or video files that you have created with this app is to just go back and click the camera icon, and then you're going to click the files option that you see, and you're going to get access to all the files, all the video files that you have created with the app. Now the next part is to do the editing. Now I'm going to be using CapCut. You can use any video editing app that you want. We're going to be removing unnecessary parts in the videos. So just open up CapCut and then click new project. Next, choose your video. Remember, our video is going to be in our gallery. So just choose a video and then click add. And it's going to drag the video inside CapCut. So right here, all you need to do is just click the play button and you start playing. Where you hear the parts that you want to delete, just highlight the script down there and then you can just click the split option. So you're going to be splitting it on both sides so that when you want to delete that section, just highlight the section that you have splitted on both sides and then click the delete option. You can see that this side is highlighted on both sides. I'll just click the delete. So you can just do that for the rest of the video until your video is smooth. And then once you're done, you can just click the arrow on the top and then it's going to download the video and keep it in your gallery. So you can just share it. So this is a video now in my gallery. I can now share it wherever I want. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel and also turn on notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload any of such contents. Thank you again once more for watching.